If you ever wanted to make music or remix or play around with sound, you don't need expensive gears or a studio. All you need is a computer and something called a DAW. A DAW, a digital audio workstation, is your creative workspace. It's where you record, edit, mix, and build full tracks using instruments or loops. Think of it as a blank canvas for audio. In your DAW, you can record voices, you can record live instruments, you can play instruments, and you can add effects like equalizers, reverb, delay, and etc. So basically, you can arrange full songs from scratch. So here are the major DAWs that producers or music composers use. I use Apple's Logic Pro. So this is a sample of something that I've been working on currently. This is what a DAW looks like. I know it looks complicated. We will understand it better as we continue to talk about it. As you can see, it's a full studio on your screen. No matter which DAW you use, it all has the same basic tools. A timeline for tracks, a sound browser, a mixer where you can add volume and process effects, and transport controls, play, stop, record. Once you learn one DAW, switching between DAWs become easy. Before you drop your first beat or play anything on your DAW, make sure you set your project's vibe. That means setting the tempo, key, and the scale of the project. Tempo is how fast your song moves. It's measured in beats per minute. Slow songs are usually from 60 to 80 beats per minute. The medium ones are from 100 to 120 beats per minute. And the faster ones are from 130 and above. The key tells your DAW which notes sound good together. Even if you don't know theory, this helps your instruments sound just right. Now, you're ready to make music. You've set up your DAW, you understand tempo, key, and scale. Next up, we'll actually create something from scratch. A beat, a melody, or just your first song's idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, it's Claudius Zach John signing off.